Hi everyone, it's Coop here. I'm at an old house site with my cousin Chris, and just made possibly my first good find. See, I got a ring down here, but I don't think it's real. I don't think there's any markings inside. Looks like it's just junk. Alright, see what else we can find. Hey guys, I just made a really good find. Look at the size of that buckle. Beautiful. This is an oldie. Some people say that this isn't a colonial era buckle, but I'm pretty sure that they are. It's the only places that I find them. And this is my biggest hole on the date. Nice find. Okay, I just flipped the plug and I seen the coin sticking out just like that. I've already picked it up and looked to see what it was, but that's how it was in the hole. And it's an Indian. Clean it up when I get home, let you know the date. Okay guys, we're on to a new spot. It's another old house. And second signal. Looks like I got a silver ring. Still down in the frozen dirt. This one's definitely silver. Kind of hard getting the dirt out, the ground's kind of frozen. Yep, marked right there, sterling. Alright, see what else we can find. Okay guys, we moved on to this little park and haven't been finding anything, not even clad. I just got a deep signal, kind of reading like an Indian. You can see I got a coin down here. It's about the size of a quarter. Pretty thin. And it's a Canadian.